The Forge. First video I'm making on this. So yeah, The Forge is kind of addicting. I was supposed to make another video on it, but too long. See, and we're gonna try to get as far as possible. So I have a few quests. Bring one eye ore. Okay. Elite rogue skeleton. There's elite things in this game. Oh, there's Ludwig friends. Okay, let's catching bam. Boom bop bing bam. Why am I stupid? Okay, I see a skelly. Also, I need 33,000 for the next pickaxe. Did I accidentally again? Because I get a little bit of a discount, not because I'm a YouTuber, but because one of my wait, let me just Crusader. Okay, and what else? Enemies? Dev skeleton. Okay. Ooh. You know what? I'll try to beat a Diff skeleton. I'm feeling good. With my shadow race, I think I can do it. I'm just... No, you are not killing me, little buddy. I shouldn't say little buddy when he almost killed me. Holy moly. Okay. Rock number 2. Why is the forge so addicting, bro? Hope Hyper can join me. Wait, I also need to turn off the music. Haha, you're stuck. Never mind. Oh, you wanna kill me? Well, you'll have to go through me. That sounded so stupid. Wait, I leveled up? Okay. Wait a second, is that an emerald? That indeed was an emerald, huh? What's over here? Nothing. Okay. Where's the diff axe? Let's run. I'm pretty sure there's a diff axe. Oh shit. I'm dead. Run for my life. Wait. Okay. Lord Essence, Greater Essence, Epic Essence. I have an Epic Essence, but I have no Greater Essence. Bomber? Bless you. Mine shark. So Elite Rogue Skeleton is the easiest way to get a greater resistance. That is not a good sign. At all. I guess we just go back and try to forge something. I don't know. Okay, so weapon or armor? 3 emeralds and 2 quartz. And one going. We'll have 2, 3. I'm joking. What am I saying, bro? Light leg. No, I don't want any of that stuff. So, can I get cutlass, rapier, or chaos? That would be great, thank you. Wait, yeah, that's better. I don't want to waste all my emeralds. What do I do? Oh wait, no, is that good? I mean, I don't know. October to Sapphire. Yeah. But I have 2 doors. Let's just do this. I don't care. Need to speedrun. Okay. This second minigame is the most important. Poisoner luck. I failed. No 100% for me. What is this? This seems good. Not gonna lie, this seems really good. What is this? It's not a hook. Rapier. That's really good. And it has a lot of aura. But how much range? That's what I'm wondering. Ooh. I don't know which one's better. Okay, let me enhance it a bit. Okay. Then. Okay, how good is it now? 20. It's not as good. I think. Yeah. But I'll take it, I guess. I mean, it's not the worst. That's for sure. This guy has wings. Level 16. Oh, it's a girl, I don't know. Sure. Wait, index. Forge, probably. In the weapon section. Somewhere over there. Yeah, okay. I hate the Federation. Federation, just, no, I don't like that. So, as you can probably see, it says it costs 47.5 thousand. But if I just, wait, quest? go here and switch to Goblin. Boom, 43,000. So I only need 2,000 more. And then I get the next pickaxe. Sorry, that sounded stupid. Yeah, let's see what I can sell. Wait, didn't I just sell like 2 seconds ago? I can sell 100 of those. Plus what? 50 of those. 60 of those. 3 of those. And accept. That's a lot of money. 500 more. Just 500 more. Montage. Can I do like a montage? And bam. Boom. I'm back. Just one final sell. You can have 1 bone knight. Sure. And how much? 18. That's all I need. Thank you very much. Now we switch to Goblin. Oh, wait. Okay, here. Uranium pickaxe. Yes, please. Whoa. How much for this? 16,000. I will take that. I'm already back at 17k, bro. Man, that's good. Should I switch off of Shadow? No, I'm not doing that yet. This pickaxe is cool, but I think I need to upgrade it a bit. As in, enhance. Never mind, I can do that. Okay, Rune Maker. Do you have anything for my uranium pickaxe? Yield. Not that good. Ooh. So it would have 57 luck. I'm taking that. That's so much. Hell nah. How much is that one? Okay. So they cost 11,000. Yeah, no thanks. I'm not buying that. Never. But wait, do I have 3 topaz? I need 3 topaz for something. Don't worry about what it is, just I need it, okay? Montage of me getting 3 topaz or amethyst, I guess? Yeah. Well, this blacksmith thing, easy. Now that I do this much damage. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can outrun the bombers. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that's an eye? Bro, what? No way I actually got that. What? What? Huh? That's not even the rarest one. Bro, what is this? What's my luck? And a copyright directly after? Bro, what? This is 100% my new favorite pickaxe. Let's see what I can get from this basalt core. Topaz and emerald. I like that. That's good. That's really good. This one probably not as good as the eye I got before. Diamond and cobalt. That's not too good. I'll take it though. I'll take it. How do I get up there? Do I just... I guess I just walk up. Some monsters. Or should I say skeletons? Ouch! That kind of really hurt. At least I have this 41% luck. Okay. Wait, let's see how much the eye is worth. So, the eye... 60? No! Bro, that's 1 in 1,000. I'm not taking $60 for that. Why do you have that shirt when you're not even better than me? You're not even mining that. See, I can do it for you, bro. I can do it for you. There you go. He's not even mining anything. He thinks that he's mining, even though he's really not. The duo that killed me before, dead. Special core. I'll take this core. I also think I need to kill that skeleton. Is that a topaz? I think that, yeah, that's a topaz. One more then. Just one more topaz, then I can give it to the Goblin King. I don't know if it's worth it. That's a topaz. Yeah, I see it. I see a topaz. And boom! That's a topaz. How much did... I think the next pickaxe for me is like... I don't know, 50,000? Maybe? I don't know. Oh, did you guys see that I got like a shadow aura around me? That's the race I have. There's a 15% chance that I just dodge an attack completely. So yeah, technically I could have infinite health. I just need to be lucky. I see a bomber. I like bombers because they... Whose portal is that? Is this person mining or not? No, I'm autistic. Same, bro. Ooh. Yes. That one as well. Okay. That's good. That's good. Nothing so far. Ooh. Diamond, lapis, and cobalt? Not too bad. Also, I'm pretty sure there was... Yeah. I need to mine a lot more basalt rocks, you can say. Topaz. I'll be back when I have like 100 on this quest. Just, yeah, montage please, and boom. Huh? I just got another eye. And that was from a normal one. I guess that's the montage, and I got to mine 14. Huh? Well, that's 15 now. But yeah, that was really unexpected. Can say it that much. I wonder what the multi is when you forge with it. Yeah. That's not a nice thing to say. At least if you're playing TSP. Just gold. Not. Let's go down this path. I'm feeling good. Yeah, I think I can do a bit there. I think I can do a bit. Bro, what is it? Why are you screaming? Oh, 0.71. Yep. Okay, so... Oh, wait, there are a lot of basalt rocks here. Ashen Passage, I know. Okay, I don't think I can do that. By the way, they're all like some kind of... That's another eye. That's 3 now. It's a 1 in 1,300. How have I gotten 3? Wait, how much time? How long have I recorded? In like a half an hour. What? Well, it's only gonna be like 20 minutes for you so far. When should I end the video? Oh, that, okay. Need to mine these rocks to get to there. Then that's an emerald. That's an amethyst. I need 2 more for my quest then. Yep, that indeed was amethyst. No, I don't want you attacking me like that. I indeed do not appreciate it. Dude, cringe. I just want to mine. As a child, I yearned for the mines. Is that what you mean? Probably not. Sorry. Please, 2 amethysts. Please, owner of the game, I need this. I'm really not homeless. Am I getting multiple emeralds? Oh, I thought I got 2 emeralds from that. It's fine. Shiny basalt core? Okay, that's gonna be pretty good. Amethyst and cuprite. I'm pretty sure I was quartz as well. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Yeah. Gold. I mean, it's not too bad. I can carry a bit more items. Just wait for this one to respawn. And there we go. That's just my aura. I just have a lot of aura. That's the amethyst quest done. So, the path of the forger. That's easier, I feel like. Yeah, I can do that. Okay, I'm gonna go back and forge something. Can you reset? Yes, you can. What should I forge? I don't know. Maybe with the 3 eyes. I wonder what that could get me. Actually, do I not? How do I already have that much? Actually, how? So down here, I forge 3 eyes. 4? Ooh. 2 cuprite. Medium helmet. Is that really the best it can give me? What about here? Wait, take away a cuprite and emerald. Should I do this? No. This. Maybe this. You know what? Should I just screw it? This. I'm doing this. Okay? Yeah, this. It's a lot of really good materials, I know, but just trust me, okay? Just trust me. Let's hope I get a good percentage. This doesn't feel too good so far. But it could still be. Okay. Are you serious? A 1-in-1 from a 3x multi. Really? It's gonna be trash. 69%. I was really wrong, actually. Okay, so equipment. Oh. Oh. That's really good. Like really. Get going, that's all I have to say. Enhancer. Where is it? There it is. That's a large. How many large things do I even have? 5. That's... wait, how much range? Ooh. Range is good. I don't know though. No. I'll stick to the sapphire thing because it gives me less health. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. Tell me in the comments if you want more The Forge videos, because I can do it. I can definitely do it. So yeah, have a great day everyone, and why did I turn into a goblin? Peace. Oh, forgot I couldn't do that. Peace.